We have another example on the board. Again, we're supposed to find the slope of the tangent to the given curve at point 2, 1. Okay, so what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to find the derivative of this implicit relation. So we have to take the derivative of every single term. So I have derivative of 3x squared over dx plus the derivative of 3y cubed over dx minus derivative of 5x y over dx is equal 0. So I have 3 times 2 x, 2 minus 1 is equal 1, I'm not going to write it, and I have dx over dx plus 3 times 3 y to the second power dy over dx minus, now I have 5, open parenthesis. Okay, I have to find the derivative of the product. Okay, so I have x, I'm going to apply this rule, x dy over dx plus y dx over dx, close parenthesis, everything is equal to 0. If any one of you doesn't understand what I'm doing, it means you have to review the previous problems which I explained with the derivatives. Okay, so next we're supposed to multiply 3 times 2, so I have 6x dx over dx is equal 1 plus 3 times 3 is 9, and I have y squared dy over dx. Next one, we have minus 5. I'm distributing negative 5 into the parentheses. X dy over dx minus 5y, because dx over dx is equal 1. Everything is equal 0. Next, we have dy over dx and dy over dx. I'm going to factorize them. So I have dy over dx, and in parentheses I'm going to have 9y squared minus 5x. I'm going to move every single term without dy over dx, so I'm going to have 5y. If you are going to move negative 5y to the right side, it becomes positive, and I'm going to have positive move to the right side, it becomes negative 6x. Next, I have to divide both sides of my equation by 9y squared minus 5x. 9y squared minus 5x. Cancel, cancel. So I have dy over dx is equal 5y minus 6x over 9y squared minus 5x. Now we're supposed to substitute the variables by the numbers. Don't forget that this is x coordinate and 1 is the y coordinate. So I'm supposed to write that this is 5 times y, which is equal 1, minus 6 times x, which is equal 2, over 9 times 1 to the second power minus 5 times x times 2. This is equal 5 times 1 is 5 minus 12 over 9 minus 10. This is equal negative 7 over negative 1. This is equal 7. Okay? So the slope of the tangent to this curve at this point is equal 7. And this is my answer to this problem.